When you go on adventure rides, it sometimes happens that you get to a dead end. The street stops or you have to make a turn because the way you come from is just much more interesting than the way you've got in front of you. So I'm going to show you a way to turn your motorcycle, do a U-turn in a fun and quick way. The method I'm going to show you is called the Grizzly Turn. It's a turn you can do in a very tight spot and do it very quick. And that's the kind of turn you want to do when you are facing a grizzly. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, and if you don't like this kind of video, feel free to hit the thumbs down twice. Alright, so how do we do the Grizzly Turn? First of all, we have to stop our bike, pull in the clutch and keep the bike in first gear. Now, you have to take a little bit of care because you have to do some things simultaneous. Put your bike on your left leg, turn the steering wheel to the left, and what is really important, look the way you want to turn. Now you rev up the engine, let the clutch jump out, and the power going to your rear wheel will force the bike to skid around. But always keep in mind to keep your right foot on the peg, because when you have an emergency, you can always stop with the rear brake. And this is how you do the Grizzly Turn. If you like this video, keep on watching because this is just one video in a series about off-road and adventure riding. Don't forget to put the comment down below what you want to know and we'll make a video about it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.